subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your DBMS class. This has been the class is your the 61st class of DBMS, where we had done your 60th classes. In the last classes we had done your ER diagram on factories, industries and organization. Then lastly we had done before that we had done the ER diagram for the online shopping. And in today's class we'll start discussing about the ER diagram for the tours, travels and tourism. ER diagram जो आप टूरिस्ट एंड ट्रैवल्स और टूरिज्म पे बनाएंगे, तो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी हैव टू डील विद इट. Before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So today we'll start discussing about ER diagram for the tours and travels here. So it will be helpful to you as well to when you are going ahead. And so here we'll start with the from starting here, that first when you're talking about tours and travels or tourism, it will be the users here first, and that the users, what the requirement of the users be required of is your the phone number of the user, then ID, the age of the user, then of course the nationality, then is called, then we have a name. So in the name cases here, it has been the name that is being the last name and the first name here, that is being subdivided into the name category. And then after that we have to know about the email, then password here. So therefore the user that is being connected has that the user should has the preferences. What preferences that they have is your that is being their preferences. This should be the ID, then what activity is your, then after that what type of preferences, like hierarchical is it a preference ID. And the safari tourism पे डिपेंड करता है, hierarchical tourism है, safari tourism है. Otherwise it is will be the sports tourism, or it will be the therapeutic tourism, leisure tourism, environmental tourism, or religious tourism, or your actual tourism that it is all about. In terms of preferences, it will be the plan, of course. After that has plan. If you have a preferences for the plan here, the number of days, the number of the days, and the number of days that has been, of course, in terms of plans it will be. And in terms of plan that has your sites, what plan is that consisting of. In the same for the has that we have your the ordinal city here. And the sites that is being the ticket price, the activity, the locations per children, and then of course your, and that is your the address site and what we have to do it, that all consist of. In the site that has your the sites consist of here with just type ID and the type here that is consist of. After that here site में भी हम type consist कर सकते हैं. In terms of plan that has the city, कौन से plan, कौन से city पे हम जा रहे हैं, it should be the city ID and the city name, of course. That has been, this city has been connected to the sites as well. And for the same, that city has your hotel, कौन से city में कौन से hotel में हम हैं, उसका क्या price है, hotel का ID क्या है, उसकी location क्या है, एंड देन योर होटल नेम क्या है उसका, एंड उसके नंबर ऑफ साइट्स वो कितने घुमा रहे हैं, व्हाट इज़ द नंबर्स ऑफ स्टार्स दे हैव इन रेफरेंस टुवर्ड्स होटल व्हेन वी आर गोइंग अहेड. After that we talk about it. So yes, for the user it will be connected towards, as you can see, that being user be connected when it is connected to that users has that their address. So that is the address name, address a person. Then we have your that is your address ID as well. And then it will be the user should have tells about us, that is the risk management is of date, and where the safari, and then of course that address holds. And then we have your that is being ID as well, and risk ID here. And then what they can ask you is that about the questions, that the questions and questions IDs. And then of course that what they give is you is your feedback. So it will be the feedback time, date here that has been given from this side. So this is all about what we had discussed in terms of ER diagram of tours and travels, or we can say that tourism. So this is all what you can say. I just from starting I just rotated. You can just take you can draw it by one by one. Had we had moved it, this is an ER diagram for the tools and travels here. Okay, I hope you had drawn this. And other than that, we are dealing with many more AR diagram in reference towards it. But before ending it up, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share, and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than DBMS, we are dealing with chemistry for class 12, that is important for the academic and as well as for the competition as well. In terms of academic, we had done your we had done your academic, which is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, and even unit 9, and we had completed that as well. And after that, if I'm talking about other than that, we are dealing with the quantitative aptitude, where we had started with the arithmetical ability, where we had done operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fraction, simplification, square roots and cube roots, and then we had done your problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices as well. After that, talking about the reasoning here, so yes, we are dealing with, we had completed your verbal reasoning, which has been your the general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had done series analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, weather image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete here, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, that we had done. And then after that, we had done your, after a rule detection, we are dealing with the cubes and dice, that what we have to show it, and that has been the important one as well. So other than that, we had completed your sociology and software engineering as well, and that has been important. So you can just go ahead with the the subscribe button, that has been important. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.